Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Kanakapriya Lahari, 3rd BA, SRR and CVR Government Degree College, Vijayawada. In this video, now we have to learn about Sir Thomas Munro, C.P. Brown, Sir Arthur Thomas Cotton. Sir Thomas Munro, 1761 to 1827. Thomas Munro was born in the Glasgow city on 27th May of 1761. He was died 6th July 1827, aged 65. His father Alexander Munro was merchant. Thomas Munro completed his education in Glasgow University and joined as a military cadet in East India Company. In 12 years of his service, he practiced in the War of Mysore with Tipu Sultan and his father Hyder Ali. Major General Sir Thomas Munro, KCB 27th May, was a Scottish soldier and colonial administrator. He served as an East India Company army officer and statesman in addition to also being the governor of Madras Presidency. C.P. Brown, 1798 to 1884. The English civil servant who extended valuable services to Telugu language and culture was Sir Charles Phillips Brown. He took birth on 10th November 1798 in a Christian family at Calcutta. From the childhood, he was adequate with the language like English, Arab, Persian, Greek, Latin, Bengali, and Hindustani. His father, David Brown, was a manager of an orphanage and a missionary and scholar in many languages, including Sanskrit. He went to England in 1812 and passed the ICS examination, and in 1817 he came to India as a civil employee in Madras Presidency. Since he worked in various designations in various places in Andhra, he was interested in learning Telugu. He learned the Telugu language under the guidance of Veligapudi Kodandaramaya in Madras. Sir Arthur Thomas Cotton, 1803 1889. Arthur Cotton was born on 15th May 1803 near Oxford in England. He was familiar in the hearts of Andhra people as the builder of dams. He became to India in May 1821 for the cause of Andhras. He joined as a small employee in the East India Company. His work in India was much appreciated and he was honored with KCSI, Knight Commander of the Order of the Star of India in 1877. Cotton devoted his life to the construction of irrigation and navigation canals throughout British India. He helped many people by building the Dhavaleshwaram barrages and Rajamahendra. Cotton died on 24th July 1899. Thank you friends. This all about Munro and C.P. Brown, Arthur Cotton. Hope you like it. Thanks for your listening.